This is my solar radio with a hand crank generator. Runs off solar panel here, or you can use the AA batteries. It has C batteries here, but it looks like some kind of lithium batteries. You can use the solar panel to recharge it, or to use the generator. But when I crank it the last time, the generator is not working. At first I thought maybe the gears are stripped. The gears are sort of like nylon or plastic. I thought that would be the first to go. So when I opened this, I saw that the gears are actually okay. You can inspect them to see if any missing teeth. It's like that small gear on the motor here is not engaging the bigger gear. So let's see if I can make a small spacer. This is just the right diameter. Fit it. Okay, so the nylon gear is pushed up against the bigger gear, and let's see. Okay, now one is turning and the shaft is turning, and the gear won't go down again. Okay, let's measure the voltage. It'll be okay. Okay. That's 350, 4 volts, 5 volts, 5.5, 6, 6.5 volt. So actually, if you keep this in your emergency kit, it can actually charge not only AA batteries, it can charge lithium ion batteries like that too. Of course, there's no controller, so you could be in trouble if you crank it maybe for a couple of hours, but I don't think you'd have the patience to crank it for that long. So say if you have a couple of any loop AA batteries, if you want to charge them up for your walkie-talkie, this would be perfect for it. So how much current can this generate? Probably not much, but at least 20 mA, and like this LED might do. So it'll do as a charging generator. I put a little bit of hot melt glue around the motor so that the motor will stay in place, and remember to put a couple of charging cables with these alligator clips and a couple of paper clips. Throw a couple of paper clips in there, and you have your very versatile charger. You can clip your paper clips to the battery terminals and you can charge. So this is my solar utility box. I just added a strap to it. This is from an old camera that I'm no longer using, and as I demonstrated before in my other video, this is a smaller solar panel, about 100 mA at 18 volt, and this is the charging stand. Just fold this up and it is properly angled to charge. I just ordered a voltmeter, a very small digital voltmeter, and the voltmeter can be powered by this 6-volt battery, and I will probably put it somewhere here or maybe inside if I don't have room. So this solar utility box would be really functional, and I like the fact that it has a blinking light. This blinking light actually uses very little electricity, and it's sort of like a beacon. You put it someplace even with the lights turned off, and at night you can find this because this blinks. So makes for a very handy solar utility box. Okay, when I make more improvement to it, I'll make another video. Thanks for watching.